ТЕЛЕСАБАК.
Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. I hope you are all doing great. Let's get started. Look at the picture. What do you see? Yes, they are numbers. Today we will continue learning numbers and we'll go shopping for food. Let's remember the numbers from 0 to 10. I show you cards and you say me the number. Are you ready? Let's go. What number is it? It's 1. What number is it? It's 2. This, 3. This one, 4. This number, 5. This number, 6. This is 7. This is 8. And this is 9. What about this? This is 10. Now I mix the cards and you say me the numbers again. Now let's start. What number is it? What number is this? What about this? And this? And this? Yes, good job. Now look at the pictures of numbers. Listen and repeat. 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20. Good job, children. Write the words into your notebooks. Now look at exercise number 1C in your textbooks, page 54. Find the number that is between. For example, 11 and 13. What is between? Yes, 12 is between. Look. Okay, children, look. I have three numbers, 11, 12 and 13. So, what is between 11 and 13? Right, 12 is between, okay? Find 10 and 12. What is between? Right, it is 11. 16 and 18. What is between? Yes, it's 17. Good job. Now write the numbers. Look at the pictures and repeat the numbers. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Write the words into your notebooks. Now, children, I show you a card with the number and you say it. Are you ready? What number is this? Yes, it's 10. What number is this? Yes, it's 50. What number is this? 40. Right. What number is this? 30. What number is this? 20. And what number is this? 10. What number is this? 70. What number is this? 80. This? 90. And this? 100. Good job. Now let's read and recite. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's how we count by tens. Can you count from 1 to 100? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's how we count by tens. Now children, match the balloons with numbers. Now check yourselves. 100, orange. 31, pink. 98, orange balloon. 52, orange balloon. 66, red balloon. 24, green balloon. 45, purple balloon. 73, blue balloon. 82, green balloon. And 57, blue balloon. Good job, children. Now children, look at the cards and remember the numbers. You have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Now find which number is missing. Yes, it's 62. Now find which number is missing. Yes, it's 19. Now find which number is missing. Yes, it's 61. Now find which number is missing. Yes, it's 14. Now children, look at another cards. You have numbers 21, 26, 20, 38, 18, 15, 4 and 57. Remember the numbers. You have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Which number is missing? Yes, it's number 4. Which number is missing? It's 26. Which number is missing? It's 15. Which number is missing? It's 38. Which number is missing? It's 18. That's all. Good job, children. Train your memory and remember the numbers. Now children, look at the pictures and say how many things do you see? Name them and say are they countable or uncountable? Bananas. Is it countable or uncountable? Yes, it's countable. Let's count. How many or how much bananas do you see? You say how many, right. Now count. How many bananas do you see? And write. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 bananas. Let's spell it. 12. T W E L V E. Okay, what about number 2? What is it? It's a sausage. How many sausages do you see? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes, there are 15 sausages. What about pizzas? There are 7 pizzas. Count and write. Carrots. 9 carrots. Apples. 15 apples. Peaches. 14 peaches. Onions. 19 onions. Potatoes. 13 potatoes. Tomatoes. 17 tomatoes. Good job. Look at the picture. Where is Ben? Yes, he is in a grocery shop. What does he buy? Eggs, sausages, or maybe cheese? Let's read the dialogue and find it out. What does he buy and how much does he pay? Hello, may I help you? Hi, some bread and cheese, please. How much cheese would you? 100 grams, please. Here you are. Anything else? Yes, some sausages, please. How many sausages would you like? 5 sausages, please. Anything else? No, thanks. How much is it? That's 99 sums. Here you are. Thank you. Goodbye. Have a nice day. So, what does Ben buy? He buys cheese and sausages, right? How much does he pay? He pays 99 sums. Now read the dialogue again and answer, how much cheese does he buy? How many sausages does he buy? Well, he buys 100 grams of cheese and 5 sausages. Good job, children. Now look at the pictures and make up your own dialogue. Look at the pictures and put the dialogue in order. You have words. 2 liters of milk, please. Have a nice day. Anything else? How much is it? Here you are. May I help you? 10 eggs, please. No, thanks. 70 sums, please. Thank you. Goodbye. Now check your ideas and read the dialogue. May I help you? 2 liters of milk, please. How much is it? 70 sums, please. 10 eggs, please. Here you are. Anything else? No, thanks. Have a nice day. Thank you. Goodbye. So, children, that's all for today. Have a good day. Take care.